turkey, parades, heading out to see the family, the formal kickoff of the holiday shopping season. This week means a lot of things to a lot of people. By definition, it's a time to give thanks. But I want to use this message this week to say thanks, to thank you, your friends, and your neighbors for giving me and others the incredible honor of having the chance to serve you, for giving us the chance to commit ourselves each day to the goal of making some of these tough times a little easier, to fight to bring more jobs and opportunity here, to work to make our state's schools even stronger. Thank you for everything you do to make this such an incredible place to call home, to make Delaware such a great place to grow up, a great place to raise a family, to work, and as more and more of the country is noticing, a great place to retire. Thanksgiving remembers a time well before our nation's independence and the good that happens when people work together. From the very moment we became the first state, Delawareans have pulled together and made clear along the way that we don't settle and we don't stop. We look forward and we push forward and we fight for our families and friends and neighbors in this, our great state of neighbors. A Thanksgiving weekend is a brief chance to put down that fight and pick up a fork. And as you do, please accept this thank you from me, from our Lieutenant Governor Matt Dehn, the members of our cabinet and others, for the chance to work with you and for you to keep Delaware moving forward.